We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
Time. I'm an Ikea virgin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm legit blown away. Like, look at this. Oh my. Literally has like rooms. Like, what is this? Oh my gosh, they have a little dog room. Oh my gosh. I think I should get that from Murphy. Comment down below if you think that.
Number 7 is bedroom. So we want 6 and 7.
Okay. It's not really helpful because I'm still lost. Okay, so that's my dad. We're writing down what we want. No, I was running after you because you kept walking.
Remember we walked past it.
So, yeah, now we're trying to find my dad because someone likes to run and not think through things first. So, yeah, so now
Where we first came in.
So, look at how cute this is. I can put on my makeup here, do some makeup tutorials. Ooh, look inside. Look at this. I can put all my stuff in here. Wow. I say I splurge on it and get it. Dressing table. Here. LED lights. The cutest dog. Oh my gosh. I can't do this. But it's a seeing eye dog. And look, he's just laying down. Like, oh my god. Self-survival. So like whatever we wrote down here, we get here. And now we're trying to find the dresser that goes into my bathroom. So now where are we going?
Let's check out.
Okay, so they're gonna have the thingy. Fine, I'll fix it. Okay. Then we have to go pick up the thingy about it. I'm not taking pictures of you. Your hand's just in it. Gosh.